A little bit of stickiness there, which is unusual. Hi girls, how you doing? Everybody okay? No queen on there, which is good.
Good morning. I just had one checking out my glove.
Down you go. Okay. We'll start up the second from the end here. We did notice some funny stuff in the tray last night. Excuse me, girl. And the bees are all hanging around out at the front at 10 o'clock at night for some strange reason. So, this one out really slowly. I almost got to the bottom. Now if I can hold that in the sun, I can see eggs down there now. In that area there. They're so tiny, I mean it's just so tiny it's almost impossible, but there's eggs. Cap brood, a little bit of it.
Almost made it to the bottom here.
Don't see the queen there, that looks like a drone cell or two. This one up here. See how he's taller than the rest?
Yep.
Oh, that's alright. So, a few drones on that one, 2 drone cells on that one. So I don't see the queen. So we'll put that one on the outside for ease of use. And I might pull out this end one, make sure everything's okay down the end of it. Can be heavy. Okay. So they're getting into that brood that's there, but there's still brood there. So we'll keep that one in for now, because until that brood's gone, I am wanting to move out all these old frames, put fresh ones in, but that's still got brood on it, so we'll keep it for now. There doesn't seem to be any, I can't see any eggs or larvae in that bit. So that's alright, they're working on moving that out.
And just inspect down the box.
And down in the box, can't see anything wrong there. There's a lot of bees in that side thing, but then that's alright, they'll come off this. Okay. See how it goes. Not crawling around the edges while I'm trying to put that back on. It's just annoying. Look. Look, look. Yeah, I know. go all buzzy doing that. Now here, well, this one. So this is one of the frames we put in at the start. Did I pull it up that way?
Yes.
Sorry. There's a cat brood, of course. We'll see a lot of that. Need to get it into the sun. And there's tiny little larvae down there, a lot of it towards the middle, or just to the right of the middle there. So fairly fresh larva. What's going on up in the corner? They're just putting honey in. There's a couple of lumpy cells, one in the bottom on the right there, one in the far left. I'm not going to worry about them. This side's got brood galore. Don't see the queen. So the brood, there's more brood facing in than out, so I'll put it back that way. That's why I took it out. Okay. Taking this one out this way make it easier for them. To separate them. I need to separate them while you're not there, yeah. Okay, what do we got here? Bit of brood down the bottom. Firstly looking for the queen, of course. Don't seem to be present there. That's the brood.
The very furry one. In that area there. Just new, I'd say.
Be a baby.
There's a few furry ones there.
Few little babies. Very nice. So that's how much comb they've got there. Look at it as a whole. Put that one back in. Take the next one out. Now this is...
That was our brand new one last week.
This is our brand new one from last week.
Yeah.
So what have they done in a week?
Wow.
That's what the bees have done in 1 week. Beautiful. What a lovely job. There's not much in there, they're just drawing comb at the moment. Look at it, they're not putting anything in, which is okay. That is really pretty. Doing great work, girls. That must take so much of your energy, but
We are grateful.
what a good job. Let you get back to work on that. Yeah, you can climb all over me if you want. Keep on. Separated from another one. And pull them out. Heap of brood on this side. The side we're looking at. And pretty much the same. Still haven't seen the queen, but there's a couple more to go.
And it hasn't touched the bottom yet either.
Yep. Girls, don't stand on the end because I'm pushing that down in.
That's the difficult one.
Now we'll get one of these old ones at the side, see how they're faring. This one, 1120, is a pain. Ugh.
Okay, the queen cell's still there on this side.
Looks like it's got a, no, it hasn't got a cap on it yet.
It's still- Yep, okay.
So they're still going through the brood there and everything. So. I've got some fresh honey there. There's the queen.
Quadrant.
Right hand third. She's losing her pinkness. This thing's so heavy.
Oh, okay. Got it.
She's there. It's the same frame she was on last week.
Yes.
Got to get a bit more adventurous, girl. Use some of those new ones.
Not ready for
But
it yet.
she's doing all right. I mean, she has laid a lot in those. So she's on the other side from her last week. But we'll just have a look at the last one for. Keep an eye on how they're, or if they're using up the brood that's on there. Okay, I'll give you a bit of a. Smoke. So we can grab hold of things without upsetting too many people. So. We've still got some capped brood, but not a great deal on this side. There's more capped on this side. What if I turn it around? Yeah, she doesn't seem to be laying in there, so that's good. They'll be using this one up. So there's less on the outside, see?
Yep.
That's the outside, which is good. So probably in a couple of weeks this one will be ready to be moved out. So put a fresh one in. Girls have got to keep busy. Okay. So that's all the frames looked at. Queen found. Bee squashed. Sorry, girl. Excuse me. Come on, hop down for a minute. Got to fit one in there. Yes, yours. Has to fit in. Piece of work. Scoozy, scoozy, scoozy. Everybody out because I'm coming in. Not too close. The smoker working properly this week. First, screws. Just got to move that across a bit, give it a bit room to play. So there you go. We're all back together again. Everybody hop down for a minute so I can put the lid on. Oh, there we go. Don't want to squash you.